Hello dear fans. How much does it cost to study at UK universities? UK universities do not lack students due to the impeccable reputation they have. Despite the high cost of education, applicants from all over the world come to the United Kingdom. Graduates of British universities have an undeniable advantage over other young professionals and a chance to take up a prestigious, highly paid position. Monitor them before choosing a specific university in the UK. So you will find an option with the optimal ratio for you between the level of education and the price for it. Tuition fees at UK universities vary depending on the prestige of the institution. For example, a year of study at the University of Bristol, which is one of the first in the ranking of universities in England, can cost up to £28,700, as in the famous Cambridge, and at the University of Warwick from £11,500 to £25,000. In less prestigious universities, you can study cheaper, for £9,000 to £13,000 per year, not counting the cost of living. Prepare all the necessary documents before admission. Fill out an application using the UCAS form. If you took the A-level preparatory course, enter the points received for the final exams in it. Write a short note about your personal qualities and your plans for the future. Make a list of selected higher education institutions. It can contain no more than 6 items. Introduce a testimonial from the school you graduated from. The universities on the list will review your candidacy and send either an invitation to an interview or a refusal. An applicant from another country must be at least 18 years old. It is not enough to complete high school to enter the University of the United Kingdom. You must have at least British education, that is, at least 13 years. Therefore, after the Russian school, you should unlearn 2 years. For example, at a university, take an English test for the IELTS standard or the Cambridge certificate. The second option is to get a pre-university education in the UK or graduate from an international college. Thanks for watching.